Hi, today I'm going to show you how you can get free gifts on Temu with a step-by-step guide. So from your Temu app, you want to go to the U section down here. Now on the U section down here, you want to go to Play and Earn. Now from Play and Earn, you can see this is a section called Earn Credits and Free Gifts. Now you can see there's a couple of free gifts we can claim. So I'm just going to pick the upper one here, all gifts waiting for you. Let's just click on Pick Gifts Now. Now you can see we'll be entered into this animation thing. We'll have to click to win our gifts. Just click on Win My Gifts. And then you can see we can start picking our free gifts. So you can see we can pick some of these stuff like a knife sharpener or a winter thermal glove thing and also a ring. Let's just pick a ring here. Just click on this, pick. And then let's just wait for it to load. It'll load in a couple of animation and a couple of prerequisites so we can complete our free gift purchase. Once here, you can see you'll be prompted with a menu like this, and then you just have to click on this button to pick this free gift now. You can see, nice choice, and then we'll get this item completely for free. If you enjoyed this video, please do consider liking and subscribing.